ये वीडियो है किसके बारे में? A day in quarantine with Shiz Bhatia. Yeah.
Nice. Yeah. Hey. Siege. Once again, here we go. Know the name, know the flow. Turn me up a little more. I'm setting traps, I'm alone. You know you whack, I'm a maniac. Boy, you know
रूम है ये मेरा और मैं
क्वारंटीन में जिंदगी बहुत बोरिंग है। चैनल का मेन प्लान था ट्रैवल करना, हम ट्रैवल कर नहीं सकते। तो दिन में कुछ ना कुछ करना पड़ता, तो मेरा दिन कुछ ऐसा था।
When it all goes down, I'ma run this town. Fire in my soul, got my eyes on the ground. I can't help myself lately, can't turn myself down. I'm in love with you, baby, but I let you down. I can't die in this town. I won't die in this.
वीडियो चाचा बनाएगा आपने जो चालू कर दिया इसके बिना।
This town, I won't die in this town. Yeah. Hey. Don't die in this town. Yeah. Get 'em up. I won't die in this town.
चॉकलेट डलती है
Limits. Got these new rappers looking vintage. All I really do is eat spinach, count money up and hang with pretty women. I was driven, yeah, had the vision. Then Goon came along and made a vivid. Haters living cause we really living. I'm a freight train, you a Honda Civic. Hold up, wait, let me get specific. If you pick a mission and you stay committed, stop transmitting and you really listen, you'll see that big collision, just a big transition. When it all goes down, I'm gonna run this town. Fire in my soul, got my eyes on the ground. I can't help myself lately, can't turn myself down. I'm in love with you, baby, but I let you down. I can't die in this town. I won't die in this town.
एक पैर आगे झुका के और पीछे पैर पे बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट और बाजू आपको दीवार पे धक्का लगाना है।
इस पे वो आना चाहिए
वो इससे नहीं, दीवार पे धक्का लगाओ।
लगाओ इस पे ये आना चाहिए स्ट्रेंथ
हाँ, लगाओ धक्का और सामने करो, धक्के मत मारो। पूरा फुल दो, इसके बाद
Hey, don't die in this town. Yeah, get 'em up. I won't die in this town.
बहुत बढ़िया,
चूतिया कब का सत्ता है
वेरी गुड।
वेरी गुड